Want to remove Elementor from a page on your WordPress site? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch back to the default WordPress editor in just a few steps. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Open your browser and log into your WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages and then All Pages. Choose the page you want to edit. I'll use Test Page as an example. Click Edit. Then click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor loads, you'll see the current layout and design elements. But don't make any changes or edits here using Elementor. Instead, go back to the default WordPress editor. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click Continue. Once you're back in the editor, hit Update on the right-hand side. That's it. Elementor is now removed from the page, and only the WordPress editor remains. This works best if you haven't made changes with Elementor on that page. The site you saw in the video was also built using Elementor. If you're thinking of trying it out, feel free to use the affiliate link below. That's the tool I personally use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.